All right, drink we're about to make is called Fort Lauderdale. We'll go ahead and fill up a glass with ice and measure out 1 shot of light rum. And follow that up with ½ an ounce of sweet vermouth. And next we're going to take the juice of 1/4 of an orange. So if you want to grab a couple wedges and make sure you squeeze that in there. There we go. Okay, and next we'll do the juice of 1/4 of a lime. So grab some lime wedges, squeeze those in there. All right. We'll go ahead and mix those up. Get everything mixed together real well. This should be good with some fresh fruit juice in there. And set up your glass, go ahead and pour it in. And garnish with an orange, if you can grab one. There we go. Bottoms up.